Finland is one of the Nordic countries famous for its unique culture, beautiful nature, and high quality of life. This country is not only known for its majestic natural landscape, but also a model of gender equality, friendly people, and sustainable economic development. Finland is always in the top of the happiest countries in the world, an ideal destination to learn and explore. Leave number 1 to explore this land with us. Finland is a country with a long history and rich traditions. Since the 12th century, Finland has been a part of Sweden for more than 600 years. During that time, Swedish culture and language have had a profound influence on the lives of the Finnish people. In 1809, Finland became an autonomous region of Russia after the war between Sweden and Russia. Although it was an autonomous region, the Finnish people always maintained their national spirit and desire for independence. After many historical changes, with the persistent struggle of the people, Finland officially declared independence on December 6, 1917. This was an important milestone that opened a new page in the country's history. During World War II, Finland faced many difficulties when it was attacked by the Soviet Union. Despite its small size and limited resources, the Finnish people still fought hard to protect their territory. After the war, the country suffered heavy economic and human losses. However, with a spirit of solidarity, the Finnish people have made constant efforts to rebuild the country and develop the economy strongly. Today, Finland is a stable democratic country, one of the most developed countries in the world, and plays an important role in the European Union. Finland's glorious history and strong rise are testament to the resilience and solidarity of its people. Finnish people are known for their sincerity, friendliness, and simple lifestyle. In their daily lives, they always promote honesty and respect for each other. Although somewhat quiet, Finnish people are very hospitable, ready to help when needed, and always maintain a polite attitude in communication. Their special character is modesty, unpretentiousness, and always appreciate the value of the little things in life. The Finnish lifestyle is closely linked to nature. They love outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, or swimming in lakes in the summer. In the winter, skiing and watching the northern lights are popular activities. Living in harmony with nature helps Finnish people find balance and peace of mind. One of the typical cultural features of the people here is the tradition of sauna bathing. This is not only a relaxing habit, but also a way to connect family, friends, and the community. Finns believe that sauna helps purify the body, relieve stress, and bring better health. Despite modern life, Finns still preserve traditional values, especially family ties. They value privacy but always have sincere feelings for their loved ones. The combination of simple personality, love of nature, and unique culture has created Finnish people, gentle, friendly, and emotional people, contributing to the beauty of this Nordic land. Are you curious about the culture, nature, and economy of Finland? Leave a comment so we can learn more. Finland is one of the pioneering countries in protecting and respecting women's rights. As early as 1906, Finland became the first country in Europe to grant women the right to vote and run for office. This was an important step forward, demonstrating progress and the spirit of equality in society. This opened up opportunities for women to participate in the country's political and social life. Not only stopping at the right to vote, Finnish women also actively participate in many different fields such as education, economics, and arts. They hold many important positions in the government and large organizations, contributing to the overall development of the country. Gender equality policies are seriously implemented, helping women have the opportunity to study, work, and advance their careers fairly. In addition, the Finnish government also has many policies to support women, such as maternity leave, healthcare, and flexible working conditions. These policies not only help women balance work and family, but also contribute to enhancing their role in society. Finnish women have been and are making important contributions to the country's sustainable development, being a symbol of strength, independence, and equality. Finland is a shining example of women's rights that many countries in the world should learn and follow. Finnish culture has a strong Nordic identity, harmoniously combining tradition and modernity. One of the typical cultural features of this country is the custom of sauna, a familiar habit in the daily life of the people. Sauna not only helps to relax, but is also a way to connect family members and friends. Finnish people consider this an important part of life, showing care for health and spirit. In addition, Finland also has many unique traditional festivals such as the Light Festival, Lapland Snow Festival, and Midsummer Festival. These festivals not only have cultural value, but also attract many international tourists. Finnish literature also left a deep impression with the work Kalevala, a famous folk epic reflecting the life and beliefs of the people here. Traditional cultural values combined with modernity have created a diverse, unique, and rich culture. This contributes to affirming Finland's position in world culture and attracts the interest of many people who love to explore Nordic culture. Finland is known as the land of 1,000 lakes, with more than 188,000 lakes and green forests covering 70% of the country's area. The natural beauty here is majestic, with vast forests, clear blue lakes, and the brilliant northern lights phenomenon in winter. Finnish Lapland is not only the homeland of Santa Claus, but also an attractive destination for those who want to explore the wild nature. Beautiful nature has contributed significantly to the development of tourism and environmental protection of the country. Finland has a sustainable economy, focusing on technology, industry, and tourism. The Nokia brand was once the pride of this country, making an important contribution to the world's information technology. In addition, the paper, wood, and clean energy industries also play an important role in the Finnish economy. The free education and healthcare system, along with high social welfare policies, have helped people have a good quality of life and are always among the happiest countries in the world. Finland is a country with comprehensive development in history, culture, people, and economy. This country is not only a model of gender equality, but also a place where people live in harmony with nature, building a sustainable and happy society. The values of people, culture, and economy of Finland are valuable lessons that many countries in the world need to learn. Finland is a symbol of a peaceful, civilized, and livable country. If you have watched the whole video and found this interesting, please leave a 2 to let me know.